Hello, my name is Mary Lisk, and welcome to 38 Pitch Pine Drive in Leicester, North Carolina, located in the forested gated community of Morse Valley. This home is perfect for anyone interested in year-round mountain views from either of the two wraparound decks. The lower deck boasts a jacuzzi that would allow you to watch the sunset and enjoy stargazing into the night. The upper deck provides you with plenty of space to lounge, sunbathe, or cook out. When you enter this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, you are greeted with vaulted ceilings, a fireplace, and floor-to-ceiling windows that allow for 4-season views from inside the comfort of your home. The open floor plan provides an opportunity for connection, with those lounging next to the fire, sitting in the dining room, or cooking in the kitchen. If you enjoy cooking or just plain eating, you'll love the kitchen's walk-in pantry and granite countertops. The first floor master bedroom has a large walk-in closet and a luxurious master bathroom. It includes a deep soaking tub with a vaulted ceiling, a large walk-in shower, and a double vanity. As you walk up the stairs to the second floor, you enter a great room that could be used as an office space, lounge, artist studio, or anything your heart desires. The lounge flows into a bathroom and second bedroom. The downstairs fully finished basement has a den, bedroom, bathroom, storage closet, and private entrance. This unique home has 2 garages and plenty of parking for gatherings that can park over 20 cars on the paved driveway. The lower level garage has a workshop, enough space to store a boat, and a home gym in the very back. The top floor 2-car garage is adjacent to the large laundry room. It has a door out to the backyard with a fenced-in area for your furry friends, a hitting cage, and a cute shed for additional storage. This mountain property is approximately 2.96 acres. If you want to live in a forest with privacy, while also having the convenience of being close to town and only 20 minutes to downtown Asheville, this is the place for you. It could be your very own private mountain oasis, or it could be an investment property for short-term rentals for any individuals looking to rent out the fully finished basement or the whole home. This property is a must-see, so schedule your showing today to see all that 38 Pitch Pine Drive has to offer.